Essential to using Microsoft Excel is being able to use the cells within the worksheet. The cells are where you have data. Now, there's times when you'll need to format this information in the cells. So to format, first thing you do is you highlight the cell or cells that you want to highlight. So you go, say you have data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to change the way these look. And maybe just 1, 2, and 3, 4 I want to change. Well, from here, I can go and right click on the cells and select Format Cells. So I can number the format if I want to and change it, whether it's numbers that I want in here. General just means it's regular data, numbers, currency, accounting, things like that. I can have special, if I need it to be a date, I can make it a date, and that way Excel sees what it is and interprets it. But if I just want to do basic formatting, I can change it, the font. I can change the size, whether it's a special number or just raise it until I think it looks good. I can have it aligned in the middle, bolded. I can fill the cells with a color. I can also outline what I need to. And so it looks the way I want it to look. So I can format those the way that I need it to be formatted as the looks are. But if I wanted to format, like I said, the format of the type of numbers, you have the ability to jump into each of these and determine. So currency, you have decimal points and how it looks. Time, you can say how the time's supposed to look. Fractions, scientific with decimal places. And again, you have custom. If it doesn't fit into one of these categories, you can kind of look here and see if one of these kind of fits what you're looking for. Times, days, and customize it as needed. And those are some of the different formatting options you have with your cells in the worksheet.